Welcome to a new era in agriculture. Introducing the Krishak 2i from General Aeronautics, your ultimate partner for sustainable and efficient farming. General Aeronautics has been a pioneer in revolutionizing Indian agriculture through cutting-edge drone technology. As the first Indian company to receive DGCA approval for medium-category drones, General Aeronautics leads the way in innovation. Equipped with a powerful 10-liter sprayer tank, the Krishak 2i is engineered for precision spraying. Its variable rate spray system and advanced flight path algorithms deliver the perfect dosage to every plant, every single time. From vast open fields to rugged terrains, the Krishak 2i is designed to conquer it all. Capable of covering up to 4 acres on a single charge, it ensures pinpoint waypoint navigation with 30-centimeter accuracy. Thanks to its innovative non-compass operation, flying near high-tension lines is no longer a concern. With advanced obstacle avoidance and intelligent flight algorithms, the Krishak 2i makes autonomous flying effortless, even for semi-skilled pilots. General Aeronautics is also revolutionizing the drone ecosystem with Caster, a unique platform that seamlessly connects demand providers, drone operators, and everyone in between. With streamlined spray requests, live tracking, insightful analytics, and hassle-free payments, Caster puts everything you need right at your fingertips. Krishak 2i is engineered with portability in mind. This first-of-its-kind system fits on a motorbike, ensuring seamless mobility for farmers in the field. Lower your operational costs while maximizing daily coverage. It's time to bring precision, efficiency, and sustainability to your farm with the Krishak 2i.